Assalamualaikum. This is Yumna Cooking Creation. Today I am making chicken friture, specially for Ramzan. For chicken friture, we require 250 g of chicken mince, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chilli flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half cup of cheddar cheese and 4 to 5 slices of sandwich bread. Now we marinate the chicken mince by adding all ingredients except cheese. After mixing it well, we set aside for 15 to 20 minutes. We roll each bread side into thin sheets. Now we divide marinated chicken mince into 5 portions. We take one portion and place it into a plastic sheet. And fold it and make a layer. After making thin layer of mince, we place bread on it and make it upside down. We add some cheese. Now we roll it. We pick some toothpicks to make it hold. Now we cut each into half. We cover it with the cling wrap and keep it in the fridge for 1 hour before frying. Now it's time to fry our chicken friture on medium-low heat, and we place 2 at a time. Now it's time to take them out. Now our yummy and juicy chicken friture are ready to serve.